welcome to Crafty Little Things. Thanks for joining me. It's Saturday, so it's card making day. I've already uploaded, which was actually a kind of a little review, which is usually on a Friday, but it's a bonus Saturday one, with a couple of cards that I just made using a free stamp set. And now I'm going to use those same paper, the papers that came with that same magazine. It was the Creative Papercraft magazine, I think. I can't remember what it was called. Anyway, the review, the video's just been put up on my channel anyway, so if you have a little check, you can read all about that. But these papers came free with that magazine. You have to excuse me, I'm absolutely full of cold, so I'm just trying to work through it. So I decided to use the papers to do sketch challenges this week. I'm going to do one for Positively Papercraft and one for Stamp with Joy as usual. Last week I didn't have a Papercraft one, but a Positive Papercraft one, but I have this week. Now what I've done is I just flicked through the colours and I looked at what I had out, because sometimes I have pieces of cardstock out that have got like a bit crumpled in the corner, or I've got a little bit sun damaged, or I've got them out ready to use and then changed my mind, or I've got too many out. And so I just looked at the things I already had out on my desk without going into my main stash storage, and picked out some colours that I think might go with some of these papers. So I'm thinking that Blueberry Bushel will probably go with that, and I quite like that paper anyway. And then I've got some green, I think this is Garden Green, might be spruce actually, and I thought that'll probably go with that, green in there quite well, or contrast quite well with that one. I'll go with that one. So that's how I'm kind of starting my creative journey, if you like. I've got nothing else out apart from scissors and glue, so I'm just going to totally make this up as I go along. Okay, I'm just going to grab my phone because it's on charge. This is the sketch from Positively Papercraft. So I'm going to go for a white base for this one, and I'm going to go with the blues, I think, and I'll go for the green and very vanilla with the other one. So I'm just going to look at, I'm really liking this paper, so I think I'm going to go with that paper. This paper is more like an envelope quality paper, it's not like the Stampin' Up quality at all. I might have to just do that with a cutter. So let me just zoom in a little bit. Yeah, it's quite simple, but it's at the same time it's quite elegant and quite pretty. Okay, so that's my entry for the Positively Papercraft challenge this week, and I'm going to do an entry for the Joy sets, and then that's me done for Saturday, because I'm just not feeling very well at all.